The Bergepanzer III Büffel, or Buffalo, emerged as a crucial innovation in modern armored warfare. Developed by Rheinmetall and based on the formidable Leopard 2 chassis, the Büffel was designed to recover, repair, and protect main battle tanks under the harshest battlefield conditions. When the Leopard 2 entered service in 1979, it quickly became clear that the older Bergepanzer II-A2, built on the Leopard 1 frame, could no longer keep up. Thus began the development of a more powerful, versatile recovery vehicle that could match the strength and mobility of the next-generation tanks it was meant to support. By 1988, the first prototypes of this mechanical giant were completed, with full-scale production and deliveries commencing in the early 1990s. Büffel's design philosophy centers on reliability and battlefield survivability. It combines a 1,500 horsepower MTUMB 873 K501 turbocharged diesel engine with the Leopard 2's proven chassis, providing outstanding mobility and endurance. Fitted with a high-capacity winch, heavy-duty crane, and front-mounted Dozer blade, the Büffel can recover disabled tanks, even in combat zones littered with debris and obstacles. Its operational capability extends to towing vehicles weighing up to 62 tons, making it one of the most capable armored recovery vehicles, ARVs, ever fielded. Whether in deep mud, snow, or under enemy fire, the Büffel's power and precision ensure that no tank is left behind. The modern battlefield demands not only speed and firepower, but also resilience in extreme conditions. Mechanized formations rely on mobility to maintain tactical superiority, but damaged or immobilized vehicles can halt an entire offensive. The Büffel was engineered to overcome this challenge, capable of operating in rugged terrain, through water crossings, and in environments contaminated by nuclear, biological, or chemical agents. Its advanced crane and winch systems are designed to perform full recovery operations on tracked vehicles up to Military Load Classification, MLC 80, including lifting turrets, engines, or entire tanks when necessary. At the core of the Büffel's recovery capability is its hydraulically operated crane. Mounted on a rotary platform, the crane boasts an impressive 30-ton lifting capacity and a 270-degree traverse range. It can effortlessly hoist the turret or power pack of a Leopard 2 tank, enabling rapid field repairs or replacements. Equipped with an electronic momentum limiter, the system prevents overloading and ensures operational safety even under battlefield stress. When not in use, the crane folds neatly along the vehicle's right side, maintaining a low profile and minimizing exposure to enemy observation. Time is critical during combat recovery, and the Büffel's design reflects this reality. The vehicle can carry a spare power pack and perform complete engine replacement on a Leopard 2 within just 25 to 35 minutes, a remarkable feat that keeps tanks combat ready. Its front-mounted mechanical winch, with 180 meters of cable and a base traction force of 35 tons, can double its pulling capacity to 70 tons using pulley blocks. This allows the Büffel to extract sunken or overturned armored vehicles, even from the most challenging positions, restoring mobility to combat units in record time. The Büffel is more than just a recovery machine. It's a combat-ready vehicle. Armed with a 7.62mm machine gun, and 16 smoke grenade launchers. It can defend itself against light infantry threats and conceal its movements when under fire. Its crew of 3 commander, driver, and recovery operator works in a fully protected environment, equipped with an NBC defense system and an automatic fire suppression system. Every aspect of the Büffel's construction emphasizes survivability, ensuring that even in hostile territory, the crew can carry out critical recovery missions without compromising safety. One of the Büffel's most underrated assets is its front-mounted Dozer blade. This tool transforms the vehicle into a powerful engineering platform capable of clearing obstacles, digging defensive positions, or creating paths for advancing armor. The Dozer also stabilizes the Büffel during winching and lifting operations, preventing it from tipping or shifting under heavy loads, whether carving a trench for cover or leveling ground for repair work. This versatile blade turns the Büffel into both a savior and a shaper of the battlefield. The Büffel's reliability and efficiency have earned it a place in more than a dozen armies worldwide. In addition to Germany, nations such as the Netherlands, Canada, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Indonesia, Greece, and Ukraine operate versions of the Bergepanzer III. Each country has made minor adaptations to suit local requirements, from Sweden's Bergningsbandvagn 120 to Spain's Leopard 2 ER Buffalo. This global presence highlights the Büffel's status as the gold standard of armored recovery, with more than 200 units serving across NATO and allied forces. Operational experience in Afghanistan prompted the development of the Bergepanzer III A1 variant. This upgraded version features enhanced armor protection against small arms, artillery fragments, RPGs, landmines, and IEDs. Additional improvements include a remote-controlled weapon station and a fully digitalized system interface for modern battlefield integration. Canada's forces have adopted similar upgrades, ensuring that the Büffel remains as effective in asymmetric warfare as it is in conventional combat. These enhancements prove that even a support vehicle can evolve into a combat-hardened asset. The Bergepanzer III Büffel stands as a testament to the importance of support and logistics in modern warfare. While main battle tanks like the Leopard 2 steal the spotlight, it's the Büffel that ensures their continued dominance by rescuing, repairing, and reviving them under fire. Without the Büffel, every armored division would risk grinding to a halt in the chaos of combat. Its legacy is one of quiet strength and unwavering reliability, an unsung hero of the armored battlefield. Subscribe to Militaryleak for more in-depth looks at the world's most advanced military systems, from cutting-edge tanks to the unseen machines that keep them fighting. Stay informed, stay strategic, and never miss the latest in global defense technology.